Hello, good evening. Today, we have volume cell plus VWAP cell, as you can see here, starting here, it's a volume cell. Then here, it's a VWAP cell, See, it's a VWAP cell. So, cell plus cell is equals to cell position. And yung confirmation na gagawin natin is, first off, dapat hindi cell plus cell ang nasa day before niya. Yan, tignan natin. So, this one, it's cell from this is from yesterday. It's cell plus cell. So, you can see, cell plus cell. So, this day, we have to skip because based on our confirmation, it's not valid. So, this day is a skip day. Cell plus cell. Then, after that, cell plus cell. So, making our confirmation not valid. So, that's all. This is for January 8th. Okay, so that's all.